The 31st of October is the National Day of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was a famous personality for unity throughout the entire nation. National Unity Day is celebrated on the 31st of October in every year all over India. It is celebrated to memorize the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who united the nation. Very good morning, respected principal, school management, beloved teachers, and my dear school fellows. Today, October 31st, we celebrate National Unity Day. So, we class 8 students are conducting virtual celebration based on National Unity Day. I cordially invite you all to our virtual celebration event. We all know that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a senior leader of Indian National Congress and a prominent figure in the Indian freedom struggle. Now we show a small presentation about the great leader, also freedom fighter, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I hope you all are enjoying at the same time. It will help to deeply know about him.
Hi all, my name is Gauri and I am from class 8B. Today I am going to share some important facts about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He was an Indian barrister and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence and guided its integration into a united, independent nation. In India and elsewhere, he was often called Sardar, meaning chief in Hindi, Urdu and Persian. He acted as Home Minister during the political integration of India and the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. He was often called Iron Man of India. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, was dedicated to him on 31st October 2018, which is approximately 182 meters in height. The project was first announced in 2010 and the construction of the statue started in October 2013 by Larsen and Turbo. It was designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutha and was inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018, the 143rd anniversary of Sardar Patel's birth.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a lawyer and influential political leader in the Indian independence movement. After independence, he was important in the integration of over 500 princely states into the Indian Union. He was deeply influenced by Gandhi's ideology and principles, having worked very closely with the leader.
The choice of the people on the request of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel stepped down from the candidacy of Congress President, which ultimately turned out to be the election to choose the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was the first Home Minister of independent India and his uncompromising efforts towards consolidation earned him the title Iron Man of India.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is a revered name in the Indian politics. He is known as the Iron Man of India. Before becoming an Indian political leader and a lawyer, he had a tough childhood. Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel was born in Nadia village of modern-day Gujarat on 31st October 1875 in a middle-class agricultural family. His father Sarabhai had served in the army of Queen Jhansi and his mother Lalbai was a very spiritual woman. He had 5 siblings. Those are Narsibai, Somabhai, Vithalbhai, Kashibai and a sister named Dahiba. Patel began his schooling in Karmasat, a small village in Gujarat. Later, he shifted to Nadia to attend schools. Starting his academic career in a Gujarat medium school, later he shifted to an English medium school.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 on a farmer's Minister and also the Deputy Prime Minister. Patel played a very crucial role in the post-independence India by successfully integrating 625 essential rules under Indian dominance. British had represented these rules into two alternatives. If they could join Pakistan or India, or they could stand independent. He was successfully integrated, all of them barring Jammu and Kashmir, Gunagrah and Hyderabad. He was a leading member of Constituent Assembly and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the Constituent Assembly was recommended by him. He was the first key to establish Indian Police Service and Indian Administrative Service. The India that we see today was the result of put-in effort by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as the Iron Man of India. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to say about how was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was considerably influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's idea of Satyagraha to protest against the British rule. In 1918, Keda Satyagraha was led by Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This participation cemented his image as a nationalist and brought him on the British radar. On 7th March 1930, a day before the date of Salt Satyagraha was to be announced by Mahatma Gandhi, the British arrested Patel. In 1917, Patel found the course of his life changed after having been influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. Patel authored to Gandhi's Satyagraha policy of non-violence insofar as it furthered the Indian struggle against the British. But he did not identify himself with Gandhi's moral convictions and ideals, and he regarded Gandhi's emphasis on their universal application as irrelevant to India's immediate political, economical and social problems. Nevertheless, having resolved to follow and support Gandhi, Patel changed his style and appearance. He quit the Gujarat club, dressed in the white cloth of Indian peasant and ate in the Indian manner. Patel and Gandhi saw advantages in the future participation of a free India in a British Commonwealth, provided the India was admitted as an equal member. He emphasized the need to foster India's self-reliance and self-confidence, but unlike Gandhi, he did not regard Hindu-Muslim unity as a prerequisite for independence. Thank you.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's health started declining in 1950. He realized that he was not going to live much longer. On November 2nd, 1950, his health became even worse and he wanted to stay in bed. He died on December 15, 1950 after he had a heart attack. After the assassination of Gandhi, his health started decline rapidly because he was Home Minister and Delhi police was under his ministry. He wanted to save the life of Gandhi. That was his duty, but he could not save Gandhi. He got a strong shock. His health started to decline rapidly and he was sent to Bombay, the present Mumbai.
The Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is a statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel. The statue is located in the state of Gujarat, India. It is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters. This was inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018. The statue is divided into 5 zones, which only 3 are accessible to the public. Till Patel's Shin is the first zone, which includes the exhibition area, memorial garden and museum. Second zone reaches up to the Patel's thigh, while third zone extends up to the viewing gallery. Fourth zone is maintenance area, while fifth zone comprises head and shoulder of the statue. Thank you.
The movement of the body in a rhythmic way. It's also communicate with us without a speech. Anu and Bhati are here ready to talk to you about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the way of music and the movement and expression. Let's watch and enjoy.
सरदार 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 तू सरदार कहलाता सरदार। भारत गणराज्य जनेता अखंड भारत निर्माता हो, भारत गणराज्य जनेता अखंड भारत निर्माता। युवाओं किसानों का नेता तू भारत भाग्य विधाता, तेरी हो बात जन जन का साथ, तू लौह पुरुष कहलाता। सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल तू सरदार कहलाता सरदार। भारत गणराज्य जनेता अखंड भारत निर्माता, युवाओं किसानों का नेता तू भारत भाग्य विधाता, तेरी हो बात जन जन का साथ, तू लौह पुरुष कहलाता। सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल तू सरदार कहलाता सरदार।
Music is a language that doesn't speak in particular words. It speaks in emotion. And if it's in the bond, it's in the bond. I invite Ivani and Party for the wonderful music. Let's listen and feel the unity of our nation.
तुझके कौन हम के आचार जिंदगी शम्म की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरे, जिंदगी शम्म की सूरत हो खुदा